This is what you might have missed on BCSN's Sports Nightly.
The St. John's Titans have beaten the Lima Senior Spartans twice this year. They meet for the third time tonight in the regional semifinals at Savage Arena, and this time it's win or stay home. Miles Copeland, a couple of big games in the first two meetings. They would need it. Senior, they come out in the mission. Ruben Flowers, good. How about the tap out? A little bit too hard, goes right to Elijah Pugsley for three, and then check out the emotion. You think this means something to Senior? He led everybody with 17. Xavier Simpson, he'll be heading to a Big Ten school at some point in time. On the break, it was 9-0, 9-2 after one. Second quarter, Harrison Riggs for three, somehow goes. Titans shoot 18% in the first half. But more Spartans before the break. Marcavius Wilson to Rico Stafford, who stuffs it. 26-10 Spartans at half. Second half we go. Down 20-0 now. You expect that Titan run. Miles Copeland a jam. He had 11 points and 10 boards. Gabe Kennard spots up. Three-pointer. Good. He had 6. The very next time down after a Titan stop, Zach Fisher. Spot up. 3. That's good. Here come the Titans, right? Lead down to 12. But no. It becomes a dunk fest for Lima Senior, and St. John's season is over. Third time the charm for the Spartans. They blow out the Titans 62-41.
They were very aggressive, and we got rocked back on our heels and never really recovered from the slow start. And you know, they delivered the first blow, and we just didn't come back with it. So it happens. I feel bad for them because, you know, it's a bad way to go out, but they are a heck of a ball club.
We didn't perform, execute like we normally do. We didn't play very good defense, and we lost the game.
Be sure to watch Sports Nightly weeknights at 10:30 on BCSN and follow us on Twitter at sports_nightly.